name's Ivan. Starting the first vlog for the channel. Hopefully I can get you guys with a good content. It's gonna be tough for me. English is my third language. So, I'm gonna have a little bit heavy of an accent sometimes, or my words might slur. It might be hard to understand me sometimes. So anyway, let's head to the shop where I work. We got some cool well, I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. We got some cool stuff. I'm gonna try to capture some of it, but obviously I'm gonna be working. But like I said, I'm gonna try my best to see if I can capture some of the footage or some of the projects that we are doing, so I can provide you guys with a good content. I'm gonna head to the shop. Stay tuned. Say hi to the boys. Hey, what's up, Tyler? Good morning. Look at this guy. Always trying to fuck around with me, you know?
Look at him. He barely look over the fucking thing.
We gotta say in the video, bro. Say hi to the vlog.
Subscribe. What's your channel name?
Say hi to the vlog. Look at him freaking hard. We'll tour you around the shop. We got Chris over here.
What's up, bitches?
Yeah. Here we got this beautiful graffiti. Graphic design. If you like it, we'll do it. Alright. Just chilling. It's always nice to come to work, you know, when you have all that beautiful car around you, especially this one right here. Ooh, that looks so mean. One day. Definitely stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna try to put out some good content, make this channel interesting. That'll be all for today, boys. Peace. Hey.